Welcome to the Manage Users page. This is where you'll add new team members and decide what kind of access they should have in the software. Click the Add User button to get started, then type in a login ID for the user. Note you don't have to use an email address as the login ID, followed by first name, last name, and password. Next, choose a role for the new user. A viewer can only log in and view a preview of the book, while a photographer can also manage photos but not edit any pages. Users with the staff role can edit pages assigned to them, and that's the best role to use for most students. Editors and advisors have access to the entire book, but only advisors have the ability to approve and submit the finished book for production. You can update a role or remove roles to delete a user at any time. The Users page has everything you need to assign and manage responsibilities, keeping your yearbook project moving forward smoothly.